y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful Friday again. So if you could see from the title and thumbnail, we have not one, but two LookFantastic beauty boxes for the month of August 2020. Now, LookFantastic does send me this box for review, so I do want to say thank you so very much to LookFantastic. So not only did they send me the August 2020 beauty box, but because there were two variations to the box this month, they sent me both. So we can see what you could have gotten if you got one box versus the other. So they were sent out at random. There was no certain way they sent them out. However, it's just me showing you one version versus the other. So let's go ahead and get started. If you are new, my name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different subscription box unboxings. We'd love to have you go ahead and join our channel. So if you'd like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. If you're returning, thank you very much for coming back. I do appreciate it. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started. So we will just start with this box right here. And when you open it, this says, do more of what makes your soul radiate. I like that. All right, so it says the Radiance Edition, August 2020. So here's what the pamphlet looks like. So let's go ahead and open it to our product pages. So here is what it looks like before we peel back the tissue paper. And then this is what you see. Kind of looks like somehow in transit, all the squigglies moved over here and all the products moved over here. All right, so the first item, now this is tiny, but it is from Avant, which I know is a very, very expensive brand. So let's see what this is. And this is their, it says Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. And this is 10 mLs. Massage a small amount over face and neck in circular motions after cleansing before you go to sleep. Shea butter, hyaluronic acid, sweet almond, vitamin B3. I'm excited to give it a try. I love Avant products. They are amazing. All right, so then next we've got, and I do really, really like this brand. This is Caudalie, and we have their Vena Perfect Serum, Radiance Serum Complexion Correction. So there's that. And now it says, because this is all in euros, so it says this is worth 20 euros and that this is worth 15.33 euros. This is a worldwide cult favorite and good for a reason, and for good reason. The Caudalie facial serum is packed full of viniferin and scientifically proven to lighten dark spots in just 4 weeks. I have tried this before and I do really, really like it. So I'm excited to try that again. And then we have another product from Ren. I've tried this brand, love it. This says Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. It's worth 10-20 euros. Protective moisturizer, perfect for sensitive skin. A blend of antioxidants and nourishing seed oils help to protect your skin from dehydration and pollution, 2 contributing factors to visible aging. Now this says to work it through your hair. But okay, I think it's just a misprint in the pamphlet here. Gently massage onto clean face and neck until absorbed. So this is a facial cream. All right, and then next we have got from Ahava. I love Ahava products. And this looks like we could have gotten the body lotion or the hand cream. I got the hand cream, which I'm always excited for, especially this time of year, and that's a good size. It says this is worth €8. Deeply hydrating and fast absorbing, these Ahava body lotions work to soften and smooth your skin from head to toe. Filled with minerals and antioxidants, your body will feel revitalized, refreshed, and restored. Perfect for sensitive skin, free from parabens and harsh synthetic ingredients. I mean, like I said, again, I love Ahava products, so I will not getting one of those. All right. And then from Mio, Sun Drenched Body Wash. Gentle Golden Micellar Cleanser. Well, that sounds interesting. It says this is worth €3.15. With a delightfully citrus scent and subtle shimmer running throughout, deeply hydrate your skin with this Mio body wash formulated with Indian fig extract and monk's pepperberry to give an instant soothing effect for the body and mind. Well, that sounds interesting. And we have one more product in here for this box, and this is from Percy and Reed. It says, turn up the volumizing mousse worth €8. Get long-lasting volume with the help of this Percy and Reed volumizing mousse, which will give your hair body and volume without feeling stiff or greasy. Shake well before use. Dispense a golf ball size amount into palm and rub through your hair from root to tip. Style is desired. So there is that. Again, so I think this was a really good box. We have got a good variety of skincare. We got a body wash, we got a hand lotion, we got mousse for our hair. I think it was a good variety and, like I said, a good box. So let's see what the difference in the other box is. Okay. This, I'm glad I set this down. This gives us a sneak peek to September. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Love it. I've had it before. It is amazing. And we're going to get 15 milliliters worth €30. So sneak peek for September. I will be putting a link down below if you'd like to check out LookFantastic. If there is a promo code, that will be down below as well. This is a $19 a month beauty subscription. So just in case I didn't tell you. All right, so yes, this is all, everything looks the same so far. Radiance Edition. So let me actually open it. I can see some differences though. All right, so we'll kind of go through the products that we got that are the same. So we did get the Caudalie Vino Perfect, the Radiant Serum. We did get this again. Okay, and we got the Mio Sun Drenched Body Wash. We got that again. All right, this time we got another Ahava product, and again, it was a variation. This time we got the Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. So I am super excited about that. Again, worth €8. So not gonna knock it at all. It looks like we also got a product from Percy and Reed. This is the Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm worth €8. This says a miracle primer for your hair. Use alone or before styling to enhance your dew. This Percy and Reed balm makes hair more manageable, as well as adding moisture, shine, and definition. It says work a small amount through towel-dried hair from root to tip. All right, so we have, let's see. Then we got, this is worth €10. This is from Ico. This looks like we could have gotten the Black Magic or the Lash Alert Mascara. So let's see which one. We got the Lash Alert. Just look at the box, right? I just need to look at the box. Get long and volumized lashes with the help of your Ico mascara. With a curved brush to coat each and every lash with product. No smudging, flaking, or crumbling. Just black, fluttery lashes for up to 12 hours. So, yay. All right, and then our final product is from Bella Pierre here, and it is Bella Pierre Cosmetics Mineral Blush in Amaretto. It says this is worth 15 euros. Creamy, non-comedogenic, and recommended by both makeup artists and dermatologists. This mineral blusher will bring a healthy flush of color to your face while looking completely natural. So yeah, the color is Amaretto. So we got a little bit more. We obviously got some makeup products in this one. And then again, we did get 2 of the exact same products. And then we have a different product from the same brand and different product from the same brand. So some slight variations, but again, more skincare and then a little bit of makeup. So those were the differences. Which box did you get if you do get LookFantastic? If you're thinking about signing up, like I said, I will put that link down below. I really think for what you're spending, it's a good box. I mean, you get a good variety of very nice products. That's the thing to me, is they may not be full size. They're good size. I mean, this is a good size. I mean, this is, you know, a great size to have in your purse. This is a great size for, as far as a body wash, you know, for traveling, things like that. So, no, they may not be full size, but they are really good size for travel and to test out products. And again, they're just good products, higher end products. So let me know what you thought down below. I can't wait to hear from you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.